How to fix installation failed, could not create directory. I am going to show you how you can fix the installation failure and not create a directory. Access your WordPress site via FTP or cPanel File Manager. Navigate to the WP content/directory. Right-click on the plugins, themes, and uploads directories. Set the permissions to 755 for directories and 644 for files. Check that directories and files are owned by the correct user and group. If ownership is incorrect, change it using your FTP client or cPanel. Edit the wp-config.php file in your WordPress root directory. Add the following line before slash, and that is all. Stop editing, line. If you have security plugins enabled, temporarily deactivate them. Try installing the plugin or theme again. Ensure your server has sufficient disk space available for WordPress operations. Delete unnecessary files or upgrade your hosting plan if needed. Sometimes, the browser cache can cause issues during installation. Clear your browser cache and try installing again. Ensure you are using the latest version of WordPress and all plugins. Outdated software can lead to installation errors. After installing these steps, attempt to install the plugin or theme again. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to your hosting provider or WordPress support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.